guys, yes. Today I'll be showing you how to make a YouTube video on your phone. So first, if you want to screen share, you have to go to your settings and then Control Center, customize controls. You have to make sure your screen recording, that red dot right there, you got to make sure that's in your controls. If it's not, you will find it down here. Once you do that, you just scroll down here and you hold that button down. It will start your screen share. After you have made your video, you will click this red button up top to stop sharing. Then you'll go to your trusty video editor, iMovie, and edit your video. Once you have edited your video, you will go to YouTube and upload your video. You will go here. You can pick a video you want to upload. Click Next. Okay, let me sign in. Create a title. Add a description if you want to, and hit Next. You have to select if it's made for kids, and then if you want to restrict your video to an adult. Okay. Next, you go to YouTube Studio. You can look at your video and edit it. Down here, you can add tags, add descriptions, and you can change all these different things. Then you click Save. You can also change the thumbnail if you don't want to create your own thumbnail. If you want to create your own thumbnail, then you go to the thumbnail maker. After that, you go to YouTube Studio again. You come to here, click the Edit button, edit there, and then Custom Thumbnail, and it will pop up in your photos. Thank you guys, and see you next time. Make sure to like and subscribe if you want to help support me.